Hello everybody, thanks for being with me in this session number 6 of the Orthodontics model. And again, remember, if you see this little white tool with a red question mark next to it, that means that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come up in the exam regarding this topic. For this lesson, we're going to be talking a little bit about diagnosis, about facial and profile analysis, and about cephalometric diagnosis. Okay, so first we're going to start with the facial and profile analysis. So this part over here is going to be very useful to you in the diagnosis part of the test. So please pay special attention to all the module of facial and profile